This storm represents an extreme weather threat, showcasing nature's raw power in shrouding your area in heavy snow and wind. Urgent weather alert for Lincoln Park, New York. A special weather statement is in effect due to a band of heavy snow producing snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour and winds of 20 miles per hour, reducing visibility to less than a quarter of a mile. Expect heavy snow and areas of blowing snow overnight with temperatures dropping to 27 degrees Fahrenheit, continuing into Monday with a high of 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay alert and avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for coastal Hancock and coastal Washington counties. Prepare for extreme weather. Total snow accumulation could reach between 6 to 12 inches, coupled with winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour. Travel will likely become incredibly hazardous, with widespread blowing snow causing near-zero visibility. This perilous situation is expected to unfold from 7 a.m. this morning until 7 a.m. Tuesday, so take immediate precautions. As we check in on Eldersburg, Maryland ourselves, the National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for nearby Carroll and northern Baltimore counties. This means hazardous winter conditions are forecasted, making travel potentially dangerous overnight. Expect temperatures to drop sharply, with an overnight low of 28 degrees and a significant chance of snow, but the night will be partly cloudy, offering a brief reprieve from the wintry mess. Moving into Tuesday, expect a bit of sunshine with highs around 32, but don't relax just yet. Another round of light snow is possible Tuesday night. Buckle up, Eldersburg. This weather is anything but quiet. Discover the power of weather insight at wxrundown.com, your go-to resource for completely free forecasts and alerts. Access interactive radar, satellite imagery, and National Weather Service alerts right at your fingertips. Plus, contribute your own storm reports for a community-focused perspective on weather. With personalized dashboards and essential traffic updates, everything is tailored to you. No subscriptions, no ads. Make informed decisions about your day with wxrundown.com. Reports coming in from just southeast of East Windsor, Connecticut, show a light snow accumulation, with an intensity recently verified via amateur radio. This aligns with the ongoing winter weather pattern across the region, where multiple reports underline a cohesive storm system. As this system continues to churn, residents should remain alert for additional snowfall and evolving conditions. Severe weather alert for New Paltz, New York. A special weather statement is in effect due to a band of heavy snow, with winds reaching 20 miles per hour, causing visibility to drop below a quarter of a mile. Expect snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches per hour overnight, with temperatures dropping to 26 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare for dangerous travel conditions as this heavy snow continues into Monday. Stay alert and take necessary precautions. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Northern Virginia and parts of West Virginia. As the light snow moves out, temperatures are set to dip below freezing, creating a risk for slick, icy patches on untreated surfaces. Travelers should be especially wary on roads and bridges this morning, as conditions may be treacherous. Stay alert and approach these areas with caution. The potential for hazardous travel is real and immediate. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for Clay, Braxton, Lewis, Taylor, Upshur, Barber, and parts of Raleigh, Fayette, Nicholas, Webster, Pocahontas, and Randolph counties. Expect heavy snow accumulation of 5 to 10 inches, with gusty winds reaching 50 miles per hour, creating treacherous travel conditions. Anticipate slick and hazardous roads, particularly on bridges and overpasses. This winter system is part of a broader atmospheric pattern impacting much of the region. Stay alert and prioritize safety. This is an urgent weather alert for Hancock, Maryland. A winter storm warning is in effect with heavy snow expected, accumulating between 6 and 12 inches. Expect northwest winds gusting up to 35 miles per hour, creating hazardous conditions on the roads. Temperatures will fall below freezing, leading to ice formation on untreated surfaces. Stay indoors and avoid travel if possible. We're checking in on Berlin, Maryland, where winter is making a bold statement. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for the region, meaning expect whiteout conditions and significant blowing snow throughout the day. Overnight temperatures plummet to 29 degrees, with heavy snow and gusty winds, averaging 23 to 26 miles per hour, making travel hazardous. As we move into Monday, anticipate a high of 36 degrees with sustained snowfall and wind chill that will make it feel even colder. The snow should taper off Monday night, dropping to 21 degrees with a slight chance of light snow. Notable relief comes Tuesday with mostly sunny skies and a high near 37, before another chance of rain and snow moves in later that night. Bundle up and keep safe out there. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for Kanawha, Roane, Calhoun, Mingo, Logan, Boone, Gilmer, Harrison, McDowell, Wyoming, and southeast Pocahontas. Expect heavy snowfall, with an additional 3 inches possible, coupled with gusty winds up to 35 miles per hour. This potent combination is poised to create treacherous travel conditions, particularly on bridges and overpasses. Prepare for hazardous roads as this winter weather unfolds across central and northern West Virginia. A train spotter has confirmed a solid 5.5 inches of snow just east of Reading, Connecticut. This observation aligns perfectly with our ongoing monitoring of winter weather in the region, amidst several similar reports across Connecticut. As a special weather statement remains in effect, this is a critical time for residents to stay alert and prepared for continued impacts from this robust storm system. This is an urgent weather alert for Flintstone, Maryland. A winter storm warning is in effect with heavy snow expected, totaling between 6 and 12 inches, and winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour. As temperatures drop below freezing, untreated surfaces are likely to freeze, creating hazardous conditions. Stay indoors and avoid travel if possible.
Just a mailbox leaning sideways next to me. Empty feet, heavy skies, and a life we built scattered.
The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for Western Garrett, Eastern Garrett, Western Highland, Western Grant, and Western Pendleton. Heavy snow is anticipated, with total accumulations reaching between 6 and 12 inches, especially along the western slopes above 3,000 feet. Coupled with gusty northwest winds of 35 to 50 miles per hour, this storm poses a significant risk to travel and outdoor activities. Stay alert as conditions evolve through tonight. Good evening, here's the latest on the weather situation in West Wareham, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service has issued multiple storm warnings, including for Narragansett Bay and Boston Harbor, signaling perilous conditions out on the water and possible coastal flooding. Expect heavy snow overnight with temperatures dropping to 27 degrees and persistent winds that could reach up to 33 miles per hour from the northeast, creating areas of blowing snow. Moving into Monday, heavy snow continues, with a high of 33 degrees and similar wind conditions. By Monday night, we might see the snow tapering off, with a low of 19 degrees. Tuesday offers a brief respite with mostly sunny skies and a high of 32 degrees. However, our next system is on the way for Wednesday, with an 83% chance of light snow transitioning to rain. Stay safe and keep an eye on those alerts. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex, northern New London, Rockland, and northern Westchester. Expect treacherous conditions with snow piles of 9 to 14 inches and winds whipping to 55 miles per hour. Visibility could plunge below a quarter mile, creating perilous whiteout scenarios. If travel is absolutely necessary, be prepared for extreme challenges until this evening's 6 p.m. cutoff. This winter storm is no minor inconvenience. It demands respect and caution.
Zooming in on radar like it's some big game. Comparing all the models.
This is an urgent weather alert for Old Town, Maryland. A winter storm warning is in effect, with heavy snow accumulation expected between 6 and 12 inches and wind gusts reaching up to 50 miles per hour. As temperatures fall below freezing, any remaining moisture on untreated surfaces will likely freeze, creating hazardous conditions. Stay indoors and avoid travel if possible. The situation will remain serious through tonight.
You cancel all our plans for a 10% chance. Texting out advisories like a one-person branch. Name every heat wave like
The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for southern New London County in Connecticut and northeast and southeast Suffolk counties in New York. Expect significant accumulations of 10 to 13 inches of snow, coupled with gusty winds reaching 65 miles per hour. This potent combination will create hazardous whiteout conditions, drastically reducing visibility to under a quarter mile. Stay vigilant, as these extreme winter conditions will be in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today.
say, look at that pressure drop, like it's art in a quiet shop. You watch the sky like breaking news. I watch you watching every hue. If F's obsession means you care too much, I'll take your charts and your traffic jams. Cause when you say there's a front rolling through, I know you're really just making plans.
This is an urgent weather alert for Charlton, Maryland. A winter storm warning is in effect, with heavy snow expected and total accumulations between 6 and 12 inches. Additionally, northwest winds are gusting up to 50 miles per hour, creating hazardous conditions. Be aware of freezing temperatures leading to icy surfaces, particularly on untreated roads and bridges, as temperatures are expected to drop to 30 degrees Fahrenheit overnight. Stay indoors and avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. Good evening. If you're in Colchester, Connecticut, brace yourselves. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for your area. This means you can expect heavy snow with gusty winds causing significant blowing snow, severely reducing visibility and making travel treacherous. Tonight, temperatures will dip to around 28 degrees, with nearly 2 inches of snowfall possible before dawn and winds whipping at 30 miles per hour. As we head into Monday, the snow continues with a high barely reaching 30 degrees. The snow will taper off by Monday night, dropping to 18, but lingering areas of blowing snow may still create challenges. Tuesday finally brings some relief, with a high of 29 and mostly sunny skies ahead. However, don't let your guard down just yet. Another light snow chance creeps in Tuesday night. Stay safe out there. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern Westchester, New York City, and parts of Long Island. Extreme blizzard conditions are expected, with accumulations of 9 to 12 inches accompanied by wind gusts reaching 55 miles per hour. Residents should prepare for visibility dropping below a quarter mile, leading to hazardous whiteout conditions that will severely disrupt travel. This storm's intensity speaks to the larger pattern impacting the Northeast today. Stay aware and prioritize safety. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Western Essex, Western Union, and Eastern Union. Expect blizzard conditions with snow accumulations of 7 to 10 inches and winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour. Visibility could plummet below a quarter mile, creating whiteout conditions that pose serious travel hazards throughout Northeast New Jersey. Stay alert and prioritize safety as these extreme weather conditions unfold. Severe weather conditions are impacting halfway, Maryland. A winter storm warning is in effect with heavy snow expected, accumulating between 6 to 12 inches, and gusty northwest winds reaching up to 35 miles per hour. As temperatures drop below freezing, untreated surfaces will likely freeze, creating hazardous driving conditions. Stay alert and avoid unnecessary travel. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for Orange and Putnam counties. Expect extreme conditions with snow accumulation between 4 to 12 inches and winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour, creating treacherous whiteouts. Visibility is likely to plummet below a quarter mile, putting anyone on the road at severe risk. This snowstorm's ferocity reflects a broader winter pattern gripping the region, so exercise caution if you must venture outside. In Gibbsboro, New Jersey, brace yourself for some severe winter weather. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for this area, meaning whiteout conditions are possible with visibility near zero and dangerously low temperatures. Overnight, we're looking at a brisk 30 degrees with heavy snow and blowing snow dominating the scene, almost a guaranteed 98% chance of precipitation. Monday brings a slight bump to 34 degrees, but snowfall continues with a 92% chance. As temperatures drop to around 20 degrees Monday night, expect mostly cloudy skies. Then on Tuesday, we'll see a brief respite with a mostly sunny day and high near 31, but keep an eye out for light snow returning that evening and lingering into Wednesday. Stay safe and prepared. A significant accumulation of snow has been reported in Leonia, New Jersey, with totals reaching 13 inches. This reinforces the trend established by multiple similar reports across Bergen County, highlighting the intensity of the current winter storm system. Be cautious as conditions in the area remain hazardous, with impacts felt well beyond local boundaries. Severe weather conditions are currently affecting Mount Lena, Maryland. A winter storm warning is in effect, with heavy snow expected to accumulate between 6 and 12 inches. Winds are gusting up to 35 miles per hour, creating hazardous travel conditions. Additionally, untreated surfaces may freeze as temperatures drop below freezing, leading to icy conditions. Stay alert and avoid unnecessary travel. Discover the power of weather insight at wxrundown.com, your go-to resource for completely free forecasts and alerts. Access interactive radar, satellite imagery, and National Weather Service alerts right at your fingertips. Plus, contribute your own storm reports for a community-focused perspective on weather. With personalized dashboards and essential traffic updates, everything is tailored to you. No subscriptions, no ads. Make informed decisions about your day with wxrundown.com. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Newcastle, Kent, inland Sussex, and the Delaware beaches. Expect heavy snow bands advancing inland, with snowfall rates reaching 1 to 3 inches per hour, intensifying through the early morning hours. Coupled with winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour along the coast, blizzard conditions will create treacherous travel. This is a significant snow event, and caution is strongly advised if you must venture out. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Sussex, Warren, Morris, Hunterdon, Somerset, Middlesex, Western Monmouth, Eastern Monmouth, Mercer, Salem, Gloucester, Camden, Northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Cumberland, Atlantic, Cape May, Atlantic Coastal, Cape May, Coastal Atlantic, Coastal Ocean, Southeastern Burlington, Delaware, Philadelphia, Eastern Montgomery, Upper Bucks, and Lower Bucks. Heavy snow bands are intensifying, delivering snowfall rates of up to 3 inches per hour. With gusts reaching 45 miles per hour inland and up to 60 miles per hour along the coast, prepare for severe blowing snow and near-blizzard conditions. Stay vigilant. Visibility is rapidly plummeting across the region. This is an urgent weather alert for Claymont, Delaware. A winter storm warning is in effect until 10 a.m., with snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour expected, accumulating 4 to 12 inches of snow. Winds will gust as high as 50 miles per hour, creating dangerous conditions on the roadways. Stay indoors and avoid travel if possible, as blizzard conditions will severely reduce visibility. We're keeping a close eye on North Wales, Pennsylvania, where winter is making its presence felt. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for the area, signaling heavy snow and gusty winds ahead, likely creating hazardous travel conditions. Tonight, expect temperatures to fall to 29 degrees with a 96% chance of snow, compounded by winds reaching 25 miles per hour. On Monday, the snow continues, with a high of 35 and a 90% chance of more snowfall and blowing snow in the forecast. By Monday night, the temperature dips to 19, leading into a mostly cloudy night. Tuesday brings a brief reprieve with mostly sunny skies and a high of 30 degrees, but don't let your guard down. Light snow is likely Tuesday night into Wednesday. Stay warm and safe out there. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for southern Cook County, including the tribal lands of the Grand Portage Reservation. Prepare for heavy snow accumulation projected between 5 to 8 inches, beginning at midnight and lasting through Tuesday afternoon. This significant weather event poses a serious threat to travel, especially during tomorrow morning's commute, where conditions could become quite treacherous. Stay alert and adjust your plans accordingly as this storm unfolds. The National Weather Service has issued a storm warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, and Port Jefferson, New York. Observed conditions reveal north winds reaching 30 to 40 knots, with gusts peaking at an alarming 50 knots, while waves are expected to crest between 4 to 7 feet. This serious maritime threat persists until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, endangering vessels and significantly impairing visibility. Stay vigilant, as hazardous conditions are unfolding at this very moment. This is an urgent weather alert for Wilmington, Delaware. A winter storm warning is in effect until 10 a.m., with heavy snow causing dangerous conditions and snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour. Expect total accumulations of 7 to 10 inches, along with winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour. Stay indoors and avoid travel until conditions improve. The National Weather Service has issued a storm warning for Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut, and Port Jefferson, New York, extending to Peconic and Gardner's Bays, as well as South Shore Bays from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay. Expect fierce north winds ranging from 30 to 40 knots, with gusts potentially soaring to 60 knots. Coupled with towering seas of 6 to 9 feet, this situation poses an immediate threat to vessels and could lead to significant hazards on the water. Stay alert as conditions are closely monitored. Good afternoon, King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. A winter storm is underway, and the National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for parts of the region, signaling significant snowfall and hazardous conditions. Prepare for heavy snow and areas of blowing snow overnight, with temperatures dipping to around 30 degrees and winds gusting near 20 miles per hour. As we look to Monday, expect only slight improvement with a high of 35 degrees, but that same heavy snow will linger into the day. Tonight, conditions will clear slightly with lows dropping to around 20. However, on Tuesday, a brief respite arrives with mostly sunny skies and a high near 31. But hold on, by Tuesday night, light snow is likely, setting the stage for more wintry weather. Stay safe and keep warm out there.
The only girl I ever known, she makes her own clothes and her hair still growing. When I hear that water flowing, I already know. I said Plum Lily, Georgia, plumb out the country and nearly out of Tennessee. Plum Lily, Georgia, talking about a pretty little thing waiting on me. Plum Lily, Georgia, plumb out the country and nearly out of Tennessee. Plum Lily, Georgia, talking about a pretty little thing waiting on me.
Good evening, folks. Glen Aubrey, New York, is feeling the chill as we stay vigilant amidst active weather alerts. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for Sullivan County and a winter storm warning for our neighboring areas. This means we could face dangerous conditions due to heavy snow and wind gusts, so prepare accordingly. Overnight temperatures will dip to around 25 degrees with a 50% chance of light snow. As we step into Monday, expect highs barely reaching 30 with persistent snow chances. By Monday night, it gets frigid, plummeting to 11 degrees under another 30% snow chance. But don't let your guard down. Tuesday brings a brief respite with partly sunny skies, although we'll still see temperatures hovering around 22. Definitely prepare for a significant uptick in snow overnight into Wednesday, with accumulations possible. Stay safe, Glen Aubrey. This is an urgent weather alert for Arden, Delaware. A winter storm warning is in effect until 10 a.m., with heavy snow and blowing snow expected, accumulating 1 to 3 inches per hour. Wind gusts may reach 45 miles per hour, significantly reducing visibility. Conditions will remain hazardous through the morning, with temperatures dropping to 30 degrees Fahrenheit overnight. Stay indoors and avoid all travel if possible. The Salty Marsh Fire is currently burning near Chambers, Texas, covering about 600 acres. Thankfully, crews are making great progress with the fire now 70% contained. The cause is still undetermined, but rest assured, they're working hard to keep everyone safe. We're looking at the Ranger Road Fire burning near Beaver, Oklahoma. It's currently covering 283,283 acres and is about 65% contained. Crews are working hard to bring it under control and will keep you updated as more information comes in. The Stevens Fire is currently burning in Texas, covering a significant area of 12,894 acres. Thankfully, it's now 85% contained, thanks to the hard work of crews on the ground. It's a relief to see progress being made, and we hope for complete containment soon. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for southern Erie County. A significant snow event is unfolding, with lake-enhanced snowfall expected to add between 4 to 8 inches, bringing totals near 10 inches. Travel is likely to become treacherous, causing disruptions for both the morning and evening commutes. This winter storm will be in effect until 7 a.m. Tuesday, so exercise caution if you're on the roads. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Sussex, Warren, Morris, Hunterdon, Somerset, Middlesex, and surrounding counties. Expect intense bands of heavy snow advancing into New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania, with snowfall rates reaching 1 to 3 inches per hour. This will be coupled with fierce winds, gusting up to 60 miles per hour along the coast, creating hazardous blowing snow and blizzard-like conditions. Prepare for significant travel impacts and low visibility through the pre-dawn hours. This is an urgent weather alert for Bellefonte, Delaware. A winter storm warning is in effect until 10 a.m., with heavy snow continuing to impact the area, producing snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour. Expect total accumulations of 7 to 10 inches, with temperatures around 32 degrees Fahrenheit overnight. Wind gusts may reach up to 50 miles per hour, creating hazardous conditions. Stay indoors and avoid travel if possible. Good evening from Weather Rundown, where we're keeping a watchful eye on Eagleville, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for parts of the region, signaling potential for hazardous conditions due to light snow. Tonight, we'll see temperatures drop to 28 degrees with a 41% chance of snowfall, creating a crisp, wintry atmosphere. As we move into Monday, expect a high of just 36 degrees with a slight chance of light snow lingering. A chilly night ahead brings temperatures plummeting to 15 degrees. Gear up for Tuesday, as partly sunny skies will only warm us to 30, but another round of light snow is anticipated Tuesday night, with an 88% likelihood. Wednesday looks to shake things up further with a high of 42, as rain and snow mix moves in. Stay safe and prepared, Eagleville. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Northern Virginia and surrounding counties. As light snow wraps up this morning, the lingering moisture is poised to freeze as temperatures dip below freezing, creating treacherous conditions on untreated surfaces. Travelers should exercise extreme caution, particularly on roads and walkways, as icy patches could form rapidly. Keep your guard up throughout the morning. Safety is paramount as this situation unfolds. About 3 hours ago, a 3.68 magnitude earthquake shook things up about 30 kilometers SSW of Alamo, Nevada. It was about 5.3 miles down, so folks in the area might have felt that one. Just a little reminder of nature's power. About an hour ago, there was a 3.499363975640, 8.7 magnitude earthquake, located about 23 kilometers south-southwest of Rancho Palos Verdes, California. It struck about 6.8 miles down, so folks in the area might have felt that one. Stay safe out there. About 3 hours ago, there was a 3.39 magnitude earthquake located 31 kilometers south-southwest of Alamo, Nevada. It struck about 7.4 miles down, so folks in the area might have felt that one. Just a little reminder of how active the Earth can be. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Jenkins, Screven, Candler, Bullock, Effingham, Tatnall, Evans, and surrounding counties. An ongoing trend of brisk northwesterly winds, gusting up to 25 miles per hour, combined with low humidity levels, is creating prime conditions for wildfire scenarios. This concerning weather pattern is expected to persist, emphasizing the need for caution, as outdoor activities can quickly become hazardous. Stay alert as these risks remain elevated throughout the day. This is an urgent weather alert for Pike Creek Valley, Delaware. A winter storm warning is in effect with heavy snow expected, accumulating 7 to 10 inches, and winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour, creating blizzard conditions. Visibility will be severely reduced, and travel is highly discouraged. Stay indoors and monitor local updates as conditions deteriorate. Discover a wealth of weather information at wxrundown.com, where everything is completely free. Access detailed interactive radar, stunning satellite imagery, and real-time National Weather Service alerts, all tailored to your location. Unleash your inner meteorologist with our Weather 101 educational content and track everything from storm systems to earthquakes. Make informed decisions about your day with personalized forecasts and innovative features, all at your fingertips. Good evening, folks. Let's turn our attention to DuPont, Pennsylvania, where the National Weather Service has issued multiple winter storm warnings for areas nearby, including Lackawanna and Luzerne counties. This means residents can expect significant snowfall and hazardous driving conditions. Tonight, temperatures will drop to around 25 degrees with an 85% chance of snow and gusty winds near 21 miles per hour. As we roll into Monday, the snow continues with a high of only 30 degrees, and those winds will pick up to 24 miles per hour. A chilly night ahead with a low of 13 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Tuesday offers a small reprieve as highs reach 24 degrees with partly sunny skies, but don't let your guard down. More snow is likely Tuesday night into Wednesday. Be prepared for that snow again, with temperatures rising to 37 degrees on Wednesday. Stay safe out there. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Jenkins, Screven, Candler, Bullock, Effingham, Tatnall, Evans, and surrounding counties. An ongoing trend of brisk northwesterly winds, gusting up to 25 miles per hour, combined with low humidity levels, is creating prime conditions for wildfire scenarios. This concerning weather pattern is expected to persist, emphasizing the need for caution, as outdoor activities can quickly become hazardous. Stay alert as these risks remain elevated throughout the day. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Newcastle, Kent, inland Sussex, and the Delaware beaches. Heavy bands of snow are moving inland across the Delmarva Peninsula, with rates hitting 1 to 3 inches per hour. Combine that with gusty winds reaching up to 60 miles per hour along the coast, and we're facing dangerously low visibility and potential whiteout conditions. Exercise caution as this winter storm unfolds through the pre-dawn hours. This is an urgent weather alert for Wyoming, Delaware. A coastal flood advisory is in effect until 2 p.m. EST, with up to 1 foot of inundation expected in low-lying areas. Additionally, heavy snow is impacting the region with snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour. Temperatures will drop to 31 degrees Fahrenheit overnight, with continued heavy snow tomorrow. Stay indoors and avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for Westmoreland Ridges, Fayette Ridges, and higher elevations of Indiana, extending through the early hours of Tuesday. As heavy snow piles up, expect an additional 3 to 6 inches in most areas, with potential totals reaching up to 9 inches at higher elevations. This is likely to create treacherous travel conditions, particularly affecting both the morning and evening commutes. Stay alert and plan accordingly as winter's grip tightens. Good evening, Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania. As we check in on your forecast, the the National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for your area, indicating that significant snowfall and hazardous conditions are on the way. Overnight, expect light snow likely with a low of 29 degrees and patchy blowing snow, so take care if you're out and about. Moving into Monday, our high will only reach 38 degrees, with continued chances for light snow and persistent winds from the northwest at 22 miles per hour. Monday night cools off to 20 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Tuesday brings a brief reprieve, as we'll see a high of 32 with mostly sunny breaks, but don't get too comfortable. Tuesday night conditions turn, bringing back light snow with a 65% chance of precipitation. By Wednesday, temperatures rebound to 46 degrees with more snow likely. Stay warm and keep an eye on those weather updates.
They got apps open, radar on the wall, arguing in group chats about a 5% squall. Got graphs in the fridge, snow maps on the phone, calling for a blizzard off one is a bar alone. Come on, weather we need.
This is an urgent weather alert for Odessa, Delaware. A coastal flood advisory is in effect, with up to 1 foot of inundation in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Heavy snow is currently impacting the region, with snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour expected to continue overnight, leading to hazardous travel conditions. Winds are gusting up to 45 miles per hour, further complicating the situation. Stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel until conditions improve. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for eastern Tucker County. Expect heavy snow accumulation, with totals potentially reaching 9 inches in elevated areas, while gusty winds could approach 50 miles per hour. These conditions will significantly reduce visibility, creating hazardous travel scenarios. The combination of intense snowfall and strong winds may also pose risks to power lines and trees. Remain vigilant as this storm unfolds through nightfall and into the early morning. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for multiple counties across Ohio and Indiana. Snow showers persist this morning, leading to potentially treacherous conditions on the roads as temperatures dip below freezing. Expect quick shifts in visibility amidst heavier flurries, compounded by northwest winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour, creating blowing and drifting snow. If you're on the move, exercise caution, slow down, and stay alert. This is an urgent weather alert for Woodside, Delaware. A special weather statement is in effect with heavy snow expected, accumulating at rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour. Conditions will deteriorate rapidly overnight, with temperatures dropping to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare for hazardous travel due to snow and blowing snow. Stay tuned for updates and take necessary precautions. Burlington, New Jersey, is under a serious weather alert this evening. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for the area, meaning you can expect heavy snow and potentially dangerous visibility due to blowing snow overnight. With temperatures dipping to 30 degrees and winds gusting up to 25 miles per hour, conditions will be treacherous if you need to travel. Moving into Monday, expect more of the same. A high of just 35 degrees, accompanied by continued heavy snow and those fierce winds. Overnight lows will plunge to 21 degrees with only a slight chance of precipitation. Tuesday offers a brief respite, with mostly sunny skies returning and highs reaching 31. However, don't let your guard down. Tuesday night could bring light snow back to the forecast. Keep warm and stay safe, Burlington. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Newcastle, Kent, inland Sussex, and the Delaware beaches. Heavy bands of snow are moving inland across the Delmarva Peninsula, with rates hitting 1 to 3 inches per hour. Combine that with gusty winds reaching up to 60 miles per hour along the coast, and we're facing dangerously low visibility and potential whiteout conditions. Exercise caution as this winter storm unfolds through the pre-dawn hours. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for regions scattered across New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. Expect bands of heavy snow to intensify, with rates hitting 1 to 3 inches per hour right through dawn. Coupled with howling winds, gusts could reach 60 miles per hour along coastal areas, creating significant blowing snow and blizzard-like conditions. This is no ordinary weather event. It's a formidable winter challenge demanding your attention. This is an urgent weather alert for St. George's, Delaware. A blizzard warning is in effect until 6 p.m. EST, with severe conditions expected. Snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour are occurring, with total accumulations between 7 and 10 inches possible, and winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Travel is extremely hazardous. Stay indoors and avoid unnecessary movement until conditions improve. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for regions including northern Fairfield, southern New Haven, and New York City. Prepare for an overnight onslaught of heavy snow bands, with snowfall rates reaching up to 3 inches per hour in some areas. This dynamic weather pattern is fueled by a rapidly intensifying low-pressure system to the south, creating pockets of intense accumulation just hours away. Stay alert as conditions evolve and travel becomes challenging in this winter weather event. Good evening, Cheyenne, West Virginia. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for your area, meaning strong snowfall and hazardous travel conditions are expected. Prepare for light snow overnight with temperatures dipping to 23 degrees. On Monday, we're looking at a high of only 32 degrees, making way for more flurries, so keep those snow shovels handy. Monday night brings a low of 20, transitioning to mostly cloudy skies with lingering chances of snow. Moving into Tuesday, we'll see partly sunny conditions, a high of 39 degrees, and only a slim chance of precipitation. But don't let your guard down. Tuesday night brings a chance of rain and snow as we warm up to 34 degrees. Finally, a noticeable shift arrives Wednesday, with a high of 51 degrees and potential light rain. Stay warm and be safe out there. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Fleming, Montgomery, Bath, Rowan, Estill, Powell, Menifee, Rockcastle, Jackson, Pulaski, Laurel, Wayne, McCreary, Whitley, Knox, Elliott, Morgan, Johnson, Wolfe, Magoffin, Lee, Breathitt, Osley, and Clay counties. Expect light snow to create a slick travel scenario through Monday, with gusty winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour intensifying the effects. Visibility may sharply drop in heavier snow showers, so remain cautious while navigating these winter conditions. This is a severe weather alert for Selbyville, Delaware. Currently, heavy snow and blowing snow are impacting the area with rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour. Expect hazardous travel conditions and reduced visibility. Overnight temperatures will drop to 29 degrees Fahrenheit with a 97% chance of precipitation. Tomorrow, blowing snow will continue before transitioning to light snow with a high of 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay alert and take precautions. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for multiple counties across Ohio and Indiana. Snow showers persist this morning, leading to potentially treacherous conditions on the roads as temperatures dip below freezing. Expect quick shifts in visibility amidst heavier flurries, compounded by northwest winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour, creating blowing and drifting snow. If you're on the move, exercise caution, slow down, and stay alert. The National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for Hancock, Hawkins, Sullivan, Northwest Greene, Washington, and Northwest Carter. Expect intermittent flurries and snow showers tonight, with potential light accumulations mainly on grassy and elevated surfaces. Winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour will also contribute to rapid changes in visibility during heavier snow bursts. Be prepared for slick spots and sudden drops in visibility as this wintry atmosphere unfolds. This is a severe weather alert for Dover Base Housing, Delaware. A coastal flood advisory is in effect, with up to 1 foot of inundation expected in low-lying areas. Additionally, heavy snow is impacting the region, with rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour. Strong winds are also a concern, with gusts reaching up to 45 miles per hour. Stay indoors and avoid travel if possible. Discover a wealth of weather information at wxrundown.com, where everything is completely free. Access detailed interactive radar, stunning satellite imagery, and real-time National Weather Service alerts, all tailored to your location. Unleash your inner meteorologist with our Weather 101 educational content and track everything from storm systems to earthquakes. Make informed decisions about your day with personalized forecasts and innovative features, all at your fingertips. Good evening from Weather Rundown. In Pittsfield, New Hampshire, the National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory, with light snow expected overnight and into Monday, creating potentially slick roads. Tonight's low will dip to about 20 degrees with persistent winds from the northeast at 15 miles per hour, stirring up those snowflakes. On Monday, brace for more snow and blowing snow, with temperatures climbing only to 29 degrees and wind gusts hitting 20 miles per hour, amplifying the chill. As we look ahead, Tuesday brings a brief respite with mostly sunny skies and a high around 26 degrees, but winter isn't done just yet. By Wednesday, expect another round of snow, maintaining those wintry conditions. Stay safe and warm, Pittsfield. In a significant winter weather report, just east of Branford, Connecticut, residents are grappling with 8 inches of snow. This aligns with a broader pattern of heavy snowfall across the region, part of an active storm system that's left many areas blanketed. As we observe this unfolding situation, the impacts on travel and local activities are worth monitoring closely. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for inland Sussex and the Delaware beaches. An intense winter storm is unfolding, bringing extreme snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour. Blustery conditions are creating treacherous blizzard scenarios that could lead to significant impacts on travel and infrastructure. Prepare for heavy, wet snow accumulation, with trees and power lines at risk of falling under the weight. Stay alert, as this storm is expected to persist throughout the day. This is an urgent weather alert for Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. A blizzard warning is in effect until 6 p.m., with a major winter storm causing very heavy snowfall and blizzard conditions. Expect wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, creating whiteout conditions and hazardous travel. Please stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel until conditions improve.
Blue sky breakfast, coffee on the porch, granddad's radio talking like a sports report. Storm line forming, folks, you better make a plan. But the kids play tag, barefoot in the sand. I see that sky turning stranger shades of green. Feel that pressure drop like a movie scene.
Good evening, Altamont, New York. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for your area, indicating that heavy snow and strong winds will make travel hazardous tonight and into Monday. Expect snow accumulation of several inches, alongside gusty northeast winds creating blowing snow conditions. Overnight lows will dip to around 24 degrees, while tomorrow's high struggles to reach 28. A slight reprieve comes on Tuesday with mostly sunny skies and temperatures rising to 20, but don't put away your shovels just yet. Tuesday night brings a chance of light snow, and Wednesday looks even more challenging with a high of 35 and another round of light snow expected. Stay safe out there, Altamont.
Trash can rolling like it's headed out of town. Dog starts howling at the thunder underground. Mama's flashlight, shoes, and grab.
The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for Newcastle, Kent, Queen Anne's, Talbot, and Caroline counties. A major winter storm is unleashing heavy snowfall across the region, with rates soaring to 1 to 3 inches per hour. This intense accumulation poses dangers such as blizzard-like conditions and potential power outages due to the weight of the wet snow. Exercise extreme caution as this storm unfolds throughout the day.
Pull up in the drive, sirens singing, clouds are chasing, trees lean right, but we're dancing in the doorway, wild-eyed, tornado season. We've boarded up windows, we've prayed in the dark, counted each.
This is an urgent weather alert for Dagsboro, Delaware. A blizzard warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, with very heavy snowfall and blizzard conditions expected. Wind gusts may reach up to 40 miles per hour, creating dangerous whiteout conditions. Prepare for significant travel disruptions and stay indoors if possible. Tonight, temperatures will drop to 29 degrees Fahrenheit, with continued heavy snow and blowing snow. Stay tuned for further updates. A notable wind gust reaching 50 miles per hour was recorded just 3 west-southwest of Hallgate, New Jersey, at a Messinette station. This reinforces the robust wind field associated with the broader storm system impacting the region, which has also prompted multiple winter weather advisories nearby. Stay attentive as this dynamic pattern continues to evolve. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for Salem, Gloucester, Camden, northwestern Burlington, Cumberland, Delaware, Philadelphia, eastern Montgomery, upper Bucks, and lower Bucks. An intense winter storm is underway, bringing with it extreme snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches or more per hour. Blustery conditions will create blizzard impacts, posing serious risks with heavy snow accumulating on trees and power lines. Prepare for significant disruptions as this severe weather event unfolds throughout the day. There's a wildfire burning at the Salty Marsh in Chambers, Texas, covering about 600 acres. The good news is it's about 70% contained, so crews are working hard to keep it under control. Remember to stay safe and stay informed as this situation develops. Right now, we're keeping an eye on the Ranger Road fire burning in Beaver, Oklahoma. It is spread across 283,283 acres and is currently 65% contained. Crews are working hard to get this under control and will keep you updated on any changes. The Stevens Fire is currently burning in Texas, Oklahoma, covering 12,894 acres. It's about 85% contained, which is great news. Crews are working hard to get this fire under control, and we're hoping for a quick resolution. Stay safe, everyone. This is an urgent weather alert for Selbyville, Delaware. A blizzard warning is in effect until 6:00 p.m. today, with very heavy snowfall and areas of blizzard conditions expected. Winds may reach 40 miles per hour, causing dangerous visibility and hazardous travel conditions. Prepare for heavy snow accumulation overnight, with temperatures dropping to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. Prairie, Montana is facing some significant weather challenges as we head into this week. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for the Absaroka and Beartooth Mountains, indicating heavy snow and dangerous conditions are likely, while a wind advisory affects the Livingston area and Beartooth foothills, with gusts that could disrupt travel. Tonight, expect chilly temperatures dropping to 15 degrees Fahrenheit, with patchy blowing snow. Winds will remain brisk, blowing from the southwest at 20 miles per hour. Monday brings a high of 27 degrees, with minimal snow but continuing winds in the 21 to 30 miles per hour range. By Monday night, though, prepare for more substantial snowfall, with a 92% chance of snow accumulating overnight. Tuesday looks frigid with a high around 26 degrees and almost certain snowfall. Brace for challenging conditions as we move through the week. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for Carbon and Monroe counties. An intense winter storm is unfolding, bringing extremely heavy snowfall and blizzard conditions likely to persist through the day. Prepare for snowfall rates exceeding 1 to 3 inches per hour, which could burden trees and power lines, leading to possible outages. Stay alert. This is a significant weather event that demands your attention. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for western Monmouth, eastern Monmouth, Ocean, coastal Ocean, and southeastern Burlington. A major winter storm is currently unleashing its fury, bringing heavy snowfall and whiteout conditions that will continue through the day. Expect snow rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour, raising the risk of downed power lines and treacherous travel. Take this alert seriously. The impacts of this storm are likely to be severe. Severe weather alert for Fenwick Island, Delaware. A blizzard warning is in effect until 6 p.m. today, with very heavy snowfall and blizzard conditions expected. Wind gusts may reach up to 40 miles per hour, resulting in whiteout conditions. Prepare for hazardous travel and stay indoors if possible. The current temperature is 29 degrees Fahrenheit, with additional heavy snow likely overnight. Stay tuned for updates. A train spotter has confirmed an impressive 11.5 inches of snow just 2 miles southeast of Plainedge, Nassau County, underscoring the intensity of this winter storm. This continues the trend of significant snow accumulation we've seen across the region, part of a larger pattern affecting the Northeast. Stay cautious as more reports come in from this relentless storm system. Good evening. Right now in Chariton, Virginia, the National Weather Service has issued several coastal flood advisories impacting the area, along with gale warnings for the waters from Cape Charles Light to the Virginia-North Carolina border. These alerts indicate elevated water levels and rough surf conditions, so exercise caution, especially by the coast. As for tonight, expect temperatures to dip to around 32 degrees with light snow likely, a 67% chance of precipitation, and strong northwest winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour. Moving into Monday, temperatures will rise to about 40 degrees with a slight chance of rain and snow. Tuesday brings a welcome change, with mostly sunny skies and fairly calm winds, but keep an eye on Tuesday night for a slight chance of light rain as we drop to 35 degrees. Overall, prepare for a chilly few days ahead. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for Sussex, Warren, Morris, Hunterdon, Somerset, Middlesex, and Mercer counties. A significant winter storm is unfolding, unleashing heavy snowfall and blizzard-like conditions. Expect snow accumulation rates soaring to 1 to 3 inches per hour, creating hazardous travel and potential power outages as that heavy, wet snow clings to trees and power lines. Stay vigilant as this extreme weather impacts daily life across the region.